Welcome to my messy studio, everyone. My name is Mark, and I'm an artist and an art professor. And in this video, I'd like to tell you about my upcoming workshops scheduled for this January and February. New workshops will be coming soon, I promise, but these will be reprisals of workshops I ran last year for those of you that missed them last time around. These 3-hour online classes are an opportunity to learn from me in person, to ask me questions in real time, and even get feedback on your own work. On Sunday, January 19th, I'm running the Drawing the Head in Pen and Ink workshop. This class will cover the basics of head construction in pen and ink and how to work without a pencil under drawing. It also covers various cross-hatching methods and how to deal with facial features and hair. This workshop will be great for those of you that have some experience with drawing the head, but struggle to do so in this very challenging medium. On Sunday, January 26th, I'm running my Drawing People in Pen and Watercolor workshop. Drawing people from observation is a very challenging thing to do, and as hard as it is in the studio where people are actually posing for you, it's even harder in the wild where people move, the light is less than ideal, and you have limited time to work. This 3-hour online class will teach you simple, effective strategies that'll help you overcome such difficulties, allowing you to draw figures that are more convincing, accurate, and expressive. On Sunday, February 2nd, I'll be running my Drawing Textures and Details workshop. This is a follow-up to the Fundamentals of Crosshatching workshop and adds an extra layer of complexity by dealing with objects with complex surfaces and textures. This workshop will give you skills you need to create convincing textures and other surfaces in pen and ink, and will feature charts, helpful diagrams, old master examples, of course, and a full-length still life drawing demonstration. And lastly, on Sunday, February 9th, I'll be reprising my highly popular workshop, The Fundamentals of Crosshatching, the 6 Basic Strokes. This 3-hour online workshop is designed for beginners and will teach you simple, effective cross-hatching methods that can be applied to a variety of subject matter, such as landscape, figure drawing, and urban sketching. For more information on how to register, please visit my website, the link to which I'll leave below in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you either in one of my workshops or back here in my messy studio. Bye-bye.